You said you want to do a test, right?
Yeah.
So, just zoom in. Way down.
Trying to fix this.
So is the first band that's playing, are they here?
No, the first band goes on at 2 o'clock.
Okay,
Or
but
1
do they need to be here to set up, right?
Yeah,
Do you know when they're arriving? Because then they'll basically be our sound check.
Yeah, that's right. No, they should be here. They're usually on time. They should be here within.
You just zoomed all the way out again, though.
I know.
You know what's
I'm
the
trying to
problem?
get the
They
angle
don't
right.
know where the entrance is, so they're wasting time by coming in here. We got that information so late, it was hard to pass it on to them.
Steve, say hi to people on the internet.
Hi, people on the internet. Where are we on camera? Right here?
Right here. You're not on camera, but you're right next to the condenser mic.
You can
so
turn the camera to
now
him.
the entire internet knows that no one knows how to park.
No one knows.
Hold on.
Okay, so anyway, we're ready to go whenever you're
Can I do a voice mic check?
Yeah, we just check.
You got a knife,
No.
scissors?
No.
I need something to cut this.
I got a key and that's it. Use the funky key, please. House I don't have anymore. This is still recording, by the way. Whoa! Folks, the camera almost went boom boom.
There you go.
Where'd Mike Freer go? Where'd Mike Freer go? Mike! Mike! Where the hell are you, Mike? Alright, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, taking the stage, Mr. Steve Soviak of the Nickel Vision Blues Society. He was the co-founder of the...
Vocal, drum vocal.
Are you recording here?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay. Is this in audio? Is it in audio?
We don't have so I want to
Are you good in the house? 2, 2. Yeah, yeah. Hey, 1, 2. Check 1, 2. 2, 2. Hey, 1, 2. Yipper. 1, 2.
Maybe like Charlie.
All right, moving on.
I had to pull the camera. So
I want it zoomed in on his face.
do I have to stand up there all night?
2, 1, 2, hey,
1, 2, check. Hey, 1, 2, channel 12. Stage right. Check 1, 2. Thank you. Hello. Check 1, 2. Hey, hey, hey. 1, 2. Go.
Oh, Jesus, this is going to suck ass. Okay. Turn that monitor out. Turn it so I can see it up here.
13, hey, 1, 2, check. 1, 2. Hey, 13. 1, 2. Check. 1, 2. Channel 13.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, 1, 2. All right.
I need a mirror or something to probably so pick it up.
I'll tell you something.
1, 2. 2. Yeah, check 1, 2.
I feel like this and shit.
Hey, hey. 1, 2. 2, 2. Hey, 1, 2. Yipper. 1, 2. 2. Yep. Are we golden, Mr. Negron? Alrighty.
Alright, we're going to stop it. Actually, no, Steve was hot.
Hello, hello. Check 1, 2. Can everybody hear me? Can you hear me, Jason? Is this loud enough? Do we need it louder?
Where's the mute button?
Okay. That sounds good. Sounds good to me. Okay, good. All right. The contest will be starting at 2 o'clock. We're live on the internet, boys and girls. So if you want to go say hi to the whole wide world, you can do that at the camera up on the back of this room here.
Beautiful.
Are we good, Jason? We're broadcasting?
Beautiful sound.
Yeah,
Beautiful
good.
sound.
Okay, we're live on the internet. We emailed 130 blues societies, and if they want to, they can log into this event that's happening here. It starts at 2 o'clock. Have a little short dinner break about halfway through. Judges are on the way. Bands are on the way. We've got 5 bands here already. And we're waiting on the other 4. Charlie's Root Fusion will be kicking things off exactly at 2 o'clock. Thanks, guys.
Okay, now, we stop.